The Jaguar InControl system controls navigation, media, climate, and vehicle settings through a touchscreen interface. This touchscreen handles everything from maps to music, but sometimes requires a reset. A reboot is a soft restart that clears temporary glitches without erasing data, like restarting a smartphone. A factory reset restores the system to original settings, erasing all user data, similar to reformatting a computer. Reboot is quick and safe. Factory reset is for persistent issues but erases data. Frozen screens often result from software crashes or overheating, requiring a reset. Since 2023, over-the-air updates have decreased reset needs. Newer vehicles feature smart resets to prevent power surges in hybrid and electric models. To perform a reset on your Jaguar InControl system, there are two main methods: a reboot and a factory reset. For a reboot on newer models, press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears temporary glitches without erasing data. For a factory reset, navigate to Settings, then General, then Reset Options on the touchscreen. This restores the system to original settings. Before any reset, ensure your vehicle is parked and the ignition is off. Back up important data using USB or the Jaguar Connect app before a factory reset. Reboots take 1 to 2 minutes, while factory resets can take 15 to 30 minutes, including updates. After a factory reset, update the system firmware and use official Jaguar tools to avoid voiding your warranty. If problems continue, consult a certified professional for hardware issues.